Hello and welcome in this video. First step, we are going to solve this exercise. Second step, we are going to ask Chat GPT to solve the same exercise. And last step, we are going to compare. So first step, let's solve this exercise. I'm a positive 3-digit number. My hundredths digit is 8 less than my tens digit, and my tens digit is 5 more than my units digit. What number I am? So if you want to give a try, please pause the video. Otherwise, let's see the solution. So one way to solve that, this is to translate into mathematics. The first sentence, a 3-digit number, let's call that A, B, and C, 3 digits. And now let's interpret this first part of the sentence. My hundredths digit is 8 less than my tens digit. So this is A equals B minus 8. So A is a non-negative number, so you've got two options. First option, B equals 8. In that case, A equals B minus 8, so A equals 0, and this is a contradiction. This is a nonsense because this is a 3-digit number, so A is a digit different from 0. So we can ignore this solution. And the second option, this is B equals 9. In this case, A equals B minus 8, and this is A equals 1. So now we've got these two values, A and B. So now let's interpret the last part of the sentence. My tens digit is 5 more than my units digit. So B equals C plus 5. We would like to know the value of C. So C equals B minus 5. The value of B is 9. So this is 9 minus 5. This is 4. So final answer is 194. So then let's check with the text. My hundredths digit is 8 less than my tens digit. 8 plus 1, this is 9. And my tens digit is 5 more than my units digit. 5 plus 4, this is 9. So this is correct. So now second step, let's ask Chat GPT to solve this exercise. And this is, okay, this is screenshot. This is the resolution from Chat GPT. And according to Chat GPT, the answer is 803. So if you consider the last part of the sentence, my tens digit is 5 more than my units digit. So according to Chat GPT, 3 plus 5 equals 0, which is a nonsense. So according to Chat GPT, the final answer is 803, which is a nonsense. Thanks for watching this video, and I hope to see you in the next one.